How to stop payment on a check through Regions Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to stop a check you have written, well here is how you can do it online with Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search results just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard you can go to accounts and select the checking account the check was written from. And after that, you simply have to click Stop Payment or Manage Checks and enter the check number you want to stop. And with that, you simply have to verify the details such as pay and amount and then confirm your request to stop the payment. And with that, you'll receive a confirmation that the stop payment request has been submitted. And with that, just a pro tip is that stop payments may have a fee and usually expire after a set period with a check regions done. And that's it. That's how you can stop payment on a check through Regions Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.